every pink flamingo you've ever seen is a living lie. Behind that gorgeous, fabulous neon plumage hides a bizarre, color-shifting truth. Think they're born pink? Think again. Flamingos hatch completely gray and white. If they lived off standard bird food, they would stay that way forever. To get their famous glow, they have to survive on a diet from some of the most toxic, extreme lakes on Earth. They gorge themselves on microscopic blue-green algae and brine shrimp. This extreme food is packed with natural chemical compounds called carotenoids. It's the exact same pigment that makes carrots orange and tomatoes red. But flamingos take it to a whole new level. Their liver breaks down these pigments, which are then deposited into their growing feathers and skin. It is literally a case of, you are what you eat. In fact, if a flamingo stops eating this specific diet, its new feathers grow back completely white. Early zoos were baffled when their dazzling pink birds mysteriously turned plain white. But it gets weirder. When raising chicks, parents feed them a bright, blood-red liquid called crop milk, produced in their digestive tract. It is so loaded with carotenoids and energy that the parents drain themselves of color, turning pale and white just to make their babies pink. Talk about parental sacrifice. So flamingos aren't pink birds. They're master color thieves. Hit that like and subscribe button for more mind-bending science.